Hello friends, this is Abhishek and in this video I will show you how to create a fake alert showing message folder created with Notepad. So guys, for it you have to open Notepad and then type here x is equals to Msgbox, that is message box, then give folder bracket and here you have to type the message your computer is infected, like this message will be shown there, and O+6 you have to type and then give dual quote and alert message and then close the bracket. So guys, when you save it and give your file name here, like I am giving typing, and you have to keep in mind that you have to give an extension VBS that is required and then save it guys. And the folder is ready, VBS folder. When you click here, the alert message will or fake alert message will be shown here. Thank you guys.